Hey, hope you're having a good day. Got a little blade binge acquisition. Right around. Yeager MV2. I had the V3 for a little while. I ended up selling it. I missed having one of these around. So we got the V2 in Damasteel now. Also got the Civivi EX1. It's pretty cool. Good little knife, but missed having that thing. It's a little bit bigger. Yeah. EX1 I think was airplane Chuck Yeager broke the speed barrier in. Just want to take this apart, give it a good little clean. We got everything where it should be. Nice and all cleaned up. Yeah. Got the washing machine going. Feels good, nice and clean. Yeager MV2 Damasteel. Awesome. Thanks for watching.